Sweet Alyssa Dawn, we really love you, our baby Dawn. And we're so glad that you came to this world. You're just the blessing that we really needed. And I'm so glad that you're my little girl. Love will always stay the same as the day you got your name. Oh, Dawn, sweet Alyssa Dawn. Your mommy loves you, and daddy too. But those wheels keep on turning around. We have no control. Yes, those wheels keep on turning around. We've lost all control. But your love is the treasure we found. Yes, love is the treasure we found. My love. Hello, my Dawn. Sweet Alyssa Dawn. I really love you, and Mommy too. I'm so glad that you came to this world. You're just the blessing that I really needed. And we're so glad that you're out.